welcome to my newest video. Thank you so much for clicking on it. And today I'm with my dad and we're going to be flipping a coin to see if we're going to be doing the Volcano Eruption Kit or the Bubble Science. So the Bubble Science is tails and the Volcanic Eruption Kit is heads. So we're going to be flipping a coin to see what one we're going to do because we can't decide really. So 1, 2, this is my dad, everybody, if you don't know.
Let's try that again.
Okay.
Let's get a nice flick. There you go, that was a good one. And it is heads.
So we're going to be doing the Volcanic Eruption Kit. So the Bubble Science we will be doing in a different video later on.
Make sure to check in for that one.
Yeah. But right now we are going, I'll put that right there. Right now we're going to be doing the Volcanic Eruption Kit.
Why don't you tell me who it's made by? You can read about it.
So the Volcanic Eruption Kit is made by Junior Science Explorer, if you want to get it, and it's ages 10 and up, and you explore the amazing science with chemistry with real erupting action.
Why don't you show it to all our viewers? There you go. What comes in it?
So it comes with 1 dyed sodium, 1 citric acid, 1 plastic cup, 1 syringe, 1 stirring rod.
Let's see the back of it. It shows it all.
Model.
Oh, cool. Perfect. All right.
So this intro is really long, so let's just get right into it. So we just opened up the box, and this is all the stuff it comes with. It comes with your instruction guide. It comes with a plastic cup, a stirring tool, a syringe, your volcano sculpture thing, baking soda.
What's the technical name for that?
Sodium bicarbonate, citric acid, and safety glasses. But these aren't real safety glasses, so we have some real safety glasses. And make sure whenever you're doing something with chemicals or something and you know it could do something weird that you don't know, make sure you always have adult supervision and you are covering your eyes. So let's get started. So in the kit, it did not come with these, but if you get this kit yourself, you're probably going to want to get these because it just makes it easy for you and, you know, to measure, and it's just more handy.
Inaccurate.
Inaccurate.
All right, so tell them what size we're using. What size spoon?
So this spoon right here is 1 tablespoon.
Teaspoon.
Teaspoon. And we are going to be putting 3 of these.
Equal parts.
Equal,
okay. So
and then we have 1 cup.
You want me to read the first step for you?
Yeah.
Okay. So the first step. First, most important thing is make sure that the volcano model is dry, which ours is dry because it just came out of the box. Put equal amounts of sodium bicarbonate, show them the sodium bicarbonate and citric powder inside the volcano crater and stir. But instead of putting it inside of the volcano, we're going to put it in this cup and then mix it and then pour that into the volcano.
Yeah.
So it says you start with 2.5 teaspoons of each powder. You can use more for dramatic effect. We're very dramatic, so we're going to use more.
Yeah.
So we're going to use 3 teaspoons of each. So go ahead, Hartley. Put 3 teaspoons of each in each one.
So push down and turn.
There you go. And then remember to scrape it off.
Is this like that one
It's childproof.
Listerine lid?
Here, let me help. Oh, there you got it. So scoop it, and then make sure you scrape it off flat. That's not enough. Yep, a little bit more.
It's like chunky.
It's almost like you need another one to, here.
It's chunky.
Here, let's do this. I'll help you. You keep it like that, and then I'll scoop little ones
Okay.
like that.
Okay. We're dropping some.
Yeah, and maybe you should tell them that's why we have a tablecloth down. And
Yeah. Make sure if you're doing something like this and you don't, is this one?
That's 1.
Okay. And you don't want your workspace to get dirty, make sure you put old newspaper or a tarp down. That's what we have, a tarp.
Protect your surface.
Yeah. How about you read and I'll do the steps?
Okay. That's about 2. Okay, go ahead.
1 more. Of baking soda or sodium bicarbonate.
Sodium bicarbonate's the scientific name for it, and baking soda is the store. Oh look, it looks like it's going to be 3 exactly. So.
Oh my goodness.
So let's just pour the whole thing in there. What the heck? Let's just empty. We're just going to empty the whole thing in there, which makes it easier. Then you don't have to measure anything because.
Yeah. Shall we just put this all in there?
Wait, let's see. Let's read how much is in here. It says.
Oh, yes, got it.
Well, yeah. Does that look like the same amount?
No, I think we should do exactly
Okay.
3 tablespoons of this one because maybe we'll need it for
Okay,
later.
hold it over there. This stuff's definitely more.
Not so chunky.
Yeah. Okay. So that's 1. Let's get this out of the way so our friends at home can see. 2. Or no, not 2 yet. Hang on.
And if you guys do this same science thing, tag us so we can watch your video.
Oh, that's a great idea. Okay, that's 2. Yeah, there's definitely more of this stuff than there was the other stuff. Okay, so that's 3. So now what do? Now it says to stir the powder.
Here's our stirring tool.
So we're going to stir it in this cup first, and then pour it in the volcano, and maybe stir it again in the. Hold it up for the camera so they can see.
It's mostly like you need to break the chunks from the sodium bicarbonate. Does it say to stir till something or just to where you...
No, I think that's good. All right. Now, we're going to transfer some of that into our volcano, which our volcano looks like it's way too small for all that. So we're just going to use this cup and scoop it in until it is right about to the top. So go ahead.
Will it grow? Will our volcano grow?
So keep track of how many you're doing. So that's half a teaspoon. So this will be 1 teaspoon. 1.5. That's not a full teaspoon. Scoop it. There you go. All right. So that's 2 teaspoons, and that's pretty much full. So now we know the capacity, and we still have probably enough to do another one. Okay, next step is pour some water into the plastic cup, which Hartley had already done, and use the syringe to draw up 5 milliliters of water. So where's 5 milliliters?
Right there.
Yep, 5 milliliters. So show them at home. It's basically the.
So 5 milliliters is right there.
It's basically the bottom of the syringe. So when you draw up a syringe, you put it in and you draw it up like that.
Okay.
And you always draw up a little bit more than you need, and then you squirt the rest out so it's nice and accurate. Keep going. And it's to the bottom of the syringe, right there. Now hold it upright. Yeah, hold it upright. So she sucked up more than she needed to. And then to get the air bubbles out, now we're just going to push it up to the 5 milliliter mark and get all the air out. Now we're where we want to go. Okay, now get ready because the next step says make sure you have your safety goggles on. Do you have your safety goggles on?
Yes, I do.
What about me? I should probably get some too.
Even if you're an adult, you still need safety glasses to protect your eyes.
Because
Your eyes are
accidents don't
very
care if you're an
important.
adult or a kid.
Yep.
All right, I got
And
mine.
we did get our work surface wet.
Yep, so it's a good thing we got it protected. We don't want to ruin mom or dad's table. All right, so make sure you put your safety goggles on. Use the syringe to drop all the water into the volcano. Do not place your hand directly above the model.
No.
Watch as bubbles start to flow over the volcano crater just like a volcanic eruption.
Okay, are you guys all ready for this? Do I squirt it all?
Yep.
Okay, ready? 3.
And then get it evenly, you know what I mean?
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, look at it. Look at it go. Wow. I like the color.
I know, it's bright lava red. And we probably have enough to do another one, huh?
Yep.
So bubbly.
That's cool. Where's the stir stick? Let's stir it, see what happens.
What if we put more water in there?
I don't know, let's try it. Oh, there, look at it, look.
Whoa.
Oh, secondary eruption. Oh, here comes some more.
It's not done yet, folks.
Oh, look at it go. There we go.
Now that's what I'm talking about for a volcano eruption.
That's cool. So while we're watching that, let's read about what it says, what causes a real eruption. What do you say? All right. Now you've seen a simulated eruption, but what is really a volcano? A volcano is a vent in the surface of the earth through which molten rock, called magma, and associated gases and ash erupt. It is also the word used to describe the hill or mountain that is formed by the ejected material. Okay.
Why do volcanoes erupt? Volcanoes erupt when the pressure within the magma under the surface becomes stronger than the rocks that make up the volcano. The pressure comes both the
Buoyancy.
buoyancy of the magma and from expanding gas bubbles inside the magma. If the pressure can be released easily, then the
People can't see your face when you hold it up like that.
relatively moderate eruption will occur. The gentlest type of eruption is called Hawaiian eruption. If the pressure is released explosively, then a more violent eruption will occur. The most dangerous type of eruption is called Plinian eruption.
Good job. All right, so it looks like our volcano might be done. I don't know. Let's stir it a little more. I don't feel anything else in there. And while I was reading the instructions, I also noticed that once you burn up all the chemicals that come with the volcano kit, you can use stuff that might be in your mom's and dad's kitchen or garage, which it says, you can also try this experiment using baking soda from the kitchen. Ask an adult first. Instead of the 2 types of powder, and drop 5 milliliters of common vinegar instead of water. So we happen to have that stuff, so we're going to try that and see how that works. All right, I think this thing's done. Let's clean up, and we'll do the vinegar one.
Okay, so like we just said, if you run out of the chemicals they give you, you will need baking soda. We have
So it says sodium bicarbonate, which is the scientific name for baking soda, which most moms probably have either in your refrigerator to suck up all the dirty smells or for cleaning during laundry. So this big bag, I think, was like $6, and that'll probably last a year's worth of volcanoes. And instead of the other chemical or adding water, just regular vinegar. I think this was like $3. So for $8, you could probably do volcanoes for a whole year. And Hartley just figured out that we're not going to have the red color, so out of her slime kit, she grabbed
food colors.
So we're going to try to make, we're going to add the coloring to the vinegar, because if we add it to this, it'll get it wet, which will ruin it. So we're going to add the food coloring to the vinegar, and we're going to see how it goes. We've never done this before, so you're going to see how it goes just like us for the first time.
Okay, so this is white, and it doesn't look very realistic if your volcano is white. So like my dad said, I got food colors from my slime kit, and we are going to be mixing red and yellow to make orange.
So I'm going to go ahead and scoop out 2 teaspoons of the sodium bicarbonate, aka also known as
sodium bicarbonate,
which is baking soda. So there's our 2 teaspoons. We can pour that into the volcano, which is pretty much maxes out the...
So here is our red dye. It's full because I don't use that much food coloring for my slime. You only need like a drop. And here's the yellow.
And what we're going to do is...
we're going to mix these 2 together.
Okay, we're going to pour the vinegar into the cup that came with the kit, and then we'll add the food coloring to get the nice color that we want. I'm telling her we should do a little red and yellow to make an orange.
Yes, right here.
So this is pure vinegar. And then now Hartley's going to mix it up, get a nice color that she likes.
Okay.
We're going to go ahead and put this out of the way.
Yeah. I need the stirring thing. How many drops should I do?
Just as many drops until you get the color you like. I would start out with like
yellow?
2 and 2.
Okay.
And let's see what that looks like. Or let's do 1 and 1, and we'll go little by little, because once you put it in, you can't take it back. We can always add more. 1. Ooh.
That looks so...
Ooh, looks like blood. Where's our stir stick?
Oh, I have it right here.
Okay. Now we're going to do 1 of that. 1. All right, now let's stir it up and see what
Now
happens.
let's stir, see if we get orange.
Ooh, that looks like lava. That looks good. I like
Yeah.
that color. You like that color?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You want to try it with that?
Yeah.
See what happens? All right, so now we're going to do the same thing as last time, but instead of the 5 milliliters of water, we're going to suck up the 5 milliliters of our lava-colored vinegar. So, oh, safety glasses.
Yes. You need your safety glasses. Right there.
Yeah, that looks good.
So here's our
We're going to move this
lava
out of the way.
vinegar.
All right, here we
And
go.
hold on to your pants because we're getting started.
I got my pants on. Okay. Oh, wow.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, wow. Look at it go.
I like that color. It's like bright orange.
I think we got to stir it. Well, this one definitely doesn't work.
As well as the other
Yeah,
one.
look at it. It just turned into a
Chunk.
paste. Add some more vinegar. Let's see.
I think I liked the
citric
color,
acid, yeah.
but I think the citric acid is
Oh,
the
so if you just keep adding more,
vinegar.
it just, yeah, it works. It just doesn't keep going like the...
Citric acid and sodium bicarbonate. Yeah, just keep on adding. I do love the color though. So bubbly.
Awesome.
Comment down below if you have ever seen a volcano erupt, like either
Ooh, in real
a
life.
YouTube
That's pretty
video
cool.
or in real life. Comment down below.
I would love to see that in real life.
Comment down below #volcano, and we'll be liking all of your comments who do that.
Oh, look, it holds the stir stick perfect. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.